Hi loves, thanks for joining me today. I have a video all about a brand called Everlane, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Charlotte and I do fashion and style videos, so do feel free to click the subscribe button in the description box below if you enjoy watching this video. I'll leave all the products that are featured in this video linked down there as well, so if there's anything you like the look of, you can go and look at it in a little bit more detail over on the Everlane website. And I've written a few notes so I can tell you about the brand. I know a few of you had asked, could I feature some more sustainable fashion brands on my channel, so this is for you, and I was really interested in trying the brand. I've seen them in a few videos on YouTube, and Emma Hill, who I love her content, she was the first person who kind of alerted me to who Everlane were and what they're all about. So they are a sustainable fashion brand. They source the finest fabrics and then they basically use ethical factories. So they use more than one. They go around finding the best factories and they make sure that people there are given fair hours, a fair pay, and that people are treated well. So they're very transparent about the way that they run their business, and you will see this if you go and browse on the website. You can actually see all the pieces, the cost it makes them to make the product, so the cost to make the product, then you see the cost that they sell it for, and then you also see the normal retail price that other retailers would sell that quality item for. So they are fully transparent. Each item on the product page as well, I'll just put a little example on screen here, you can see which factory the garment that you're purchasing, where that came from, and they go into like the composition and everything. It's very informative, very transparent. They believe in classic timeless pieces that you can add into your wardrobe to last a long time. So they're less about the trends, although obviously there's some trend colours and bits thrown in there, but they're mainly wardrobe staples. Basically all the type of clothes that I live in, so if you love jeans, t-shirts, dresses, things like that, shorts, nice tailoring, good fits, really good quality materials but good prices, then you will probably love Everlane. So like I said, I will leave their details linked below. And I got in touch with them because I really wanted to kind of see what the brand was about, and they very kindly offered me 4 pieces from the website. So I have 4 pieces to share with you guys today, one of which I'm wearing, but we shall get to that. So I am going to start with denim. So I have 2 pieces of denim. I thought I would try a pair of their denim jeans and also a denim skirt. So I'm going to kick off with the skirt first. It's their Reconstructed denim skirt in light blue. Now for sizing, the sizes are in US sizes on the website, and so are the prices. So I will tell you the US prices here, but I'll also convert on the screen the UK prices because they do ship to the UK, I'm pretty sure worldwide as well, and on your first order from the website you get free shipping as well. So the skirt is a reconstructed denim skirt. It's 100% cotton, you really can tell from the quality of the material, and this is the skirt in question here. I love it because I love kind of the Levi's redone look of kind of frayed hems and things like that, and the skirt has this. So this is a size 26. I will leave my measurements in the description box below, but normally I range between a size 26 and a size 27, and there is still a little bit of room to give in this around the waist. So if you're unsure on sizes, I would say go for the smaller size that you think you need, but again there is a size chart on the website. This item is made at a factory in Vietnam and it costs $22 for them to make this item. Everlane sell this for $58 US, and they say that normal retail price for other people would be about $110, but it is really good quality. I can tell it's going to be a long-lasting denim, and it's the type of denim the more that you wear the better that it looks. I've also styled up the Everlane pieces over on my IGTV, and I'll also insert some video clips here of what I would wear the items with. So for summer I love denim skirts and trainers, so I've just paired it with my Balenciaga Triple S. Any trainer preference, preferably chunky will do. The white t-shirt, which is an Everlane t-shirt, which we shall talk about in a moment, and then my All Saints leather jacket over the top because I love denim and white together. It's such a classic combination, especially in summer. Looks nice with a tan, which reminds me I need to fake tan, and then I've just added in a little Azarina clutch bag with that. But I just love a relaxed denim skirt, pop on a blazer as well and a pair of heels. It's the perfect kind of dress down, relaxed, date night out kind of look. They're just very versatile. So if you want a denim skirt styling video, do let me know in the comments below or give this video a thumbs up. Now onto the t-shirt. It is made from 100% cotton, so again it feels so nice. I went for a classic v-neck style. Because I've got a larger bust, I think that a v-neck is more flattering. Also means that you can see all your layered necklaces and everything that you're wearing as well. And you just can't go wrong with a white t-shirt. Again, it feels really good quality, and hopefully it'll wear really well in the wash as well. I picked this up in a size medium because I wanted to size up slightly to accommodate for my bust. I'm a 32DD, but it still fits on my shoulders, and I would say if you want a slightly more relaxed look, then size up anyway. And this retails at $18 US on the website, which for a really good quality basic t-shirt I think is actually a really good price if you're looking at UK prices, but I will leave a little current conversion rate on the screen. Another way that I styled the white t-shirt was with the next pair of denim I have to share with you, and this is a pair of denim jeans. Now I absolutely adore Topshop straight leg jeans. If anybody's after decent straight leg jeans in a variety of sizes, because they do in-between sizes, check out Topshop. But they also do in-between sizes at Everlane, and I went for a straight leg jean, again in a light denim wash, because I just think that light denim is the perfect type of denim for summer, or all year round to be fair, because I wear mine in winter as well. Now this is their cheeky straight leg jean, and they do make your bum look quite good and pert, and I got these in a size 26 again. They're a little bit more snug than the denim skirt because obviously they fit slightly differently, but I would say if you're in between sizes, size down, because this size works well for me. These are in the colour Sky Blue. They're made out of Japanese denim, which I think means they have quite a little bit of stretch in them. They're 98% cotton, so really good quality again, and we have 2% elastane in them. These are made at a factory in Vietnam. They cost $35 to make. They are sold for $78, and they normally retail at around $160. So that is quite a good saving for a really decent pair of jeans. Again, I think that these would just wear really well over time. They would mould to your body shape. The only one thing I would say is they do feel a little bit short in the crotch area, but obviously everyone's different when it comes to jeans, and when you've worn your denim the first couple of times they tend to relax a little bit anyway. So really, again, impressed with the quality of their denim, and these may just take over from a Topshop straight leg jeans if they don't stretch and give as much, because I do love my Topshop jeans, but they do give a little bit. I will actually leave linked, did it last year so it's a while ago, a denim jeans video for in-between sizes, comparing styles from the high street. If you would like to see an updated denim jeans video, again let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, so let's try and get up to 50 likes on this video, and then if that's the case I'll do a little denim series, because who doesn't love a little bit of denim? When styling jeans, I adore jeans and a blazer. So I've styled them with my linen Marks & Spencer's blazer. Again, linen is another great material for summer. I think this one is now sold out from Marks & Spencer's, but I will leave some alternatives linked in the description box below. Something I am rather excited about is these Teva sandals. They're like the granddad sandal trend, and they are just so comfortable. I also love the way that they look as well. I know they're a little bit of a Marmite product, but they are so comfortable. So if you're looking for a comfortable yet fashionable sandal, you could even wear these to work with a midi skirt. You can dress them up, dress them down, then definitely recommend the Teva sandals. And then I've just paired it with another Azarina bag, this time a cute little crossbody bag that I got from a recent event that I went to. And then the last item in my Everlane haul is this beautiful dress that I have on now. It's a really nice, it says it's blue. It's a bit of a mix between a blue and a lilac to me, which makes it a gorgeous colour for this season. They do also actually have a blazer in a similar colour that I'm really lusting after as well, because it would look perfect with denim. This is their Japanese GoWeave notch shirt dress. There we go, a little bit of a mouthful. Again, I have it in a 4, which is a US 4, UK size 8, and fits nicely on the bust, on the shoulders. I could possibly size down, because I like my clothes to be quite tight fitting normally, and it just feels a little bit loose there. I have tied it at the back here, so there's a tie, but there is still, it's very like floaty. I would maybe prefer it a little bit more snug. So if you prefer a snug fit like me, then maybe size down. They sell it for about $100, but retail value of other brands would be about $200. So again, a really good saving. It feels like really good quality. It does have a little bit of weight to it, which makes you can tell that they're really good materials, but also it is lightweight at the same time, if that even makes any sense. So it feels breathable, it's a nice summer dress, it would be great on holiday as well because it has got a bit of weight to it, but it's not too heavy material, if that makes sense. But that's again because it is made from 100% cotton, so they do really source really fine quality materials. It feels so nice and soft. It looks like a dress from Reformation, which you would pay a lot more for. And again, I just love the whole transparency of the brand. I am trying to be more aware of items that I am deciding to keep as my purchases and keep in my wardrobe. I am now a little bit more about timeless pieces that last a long time, and then throw a few bits in from trends here and there. So I do really like the whole ethos behind the brand, so I will leave all their links, everything linked in the box below, because if you want to be a little bit more conscious about your fashion choices, then this is a sustainable fashion brand that I do absolutely adore, and I will be buying products from them myself and having a little browse, because just absolutely have a really good first impression of the brand. If you have shopped at Everlane, do let me know down in the comments below what you think about it all. And before I go, I will just tell you how I styled up the dress. I'm wearing the shoes, so I won't lift them up, but I have a pair of espadrilles from Daniel footwear. Again, I've had a lot of wear out of these shoes already. Don't typically like a big heel, but as they're a wedge, they're quite easy to walk in. And then for a jacket, I have got a beautiful Tommy Hilfiger trench coat. Again, like I mentioned, adding classic pieces to my wardrobe. I love a trench. This might be my third one, but this is a really nice kind of oversized but smart, chic fit. A little bit of an investment piece, about the £300 mark, but really is worth having in your wardrobe over the years. And then to finish off the look, I used my rather cute Topshop bag, which I picked up in the sale for £10. I will leave alternatives below. Nasty Gal actually do a lot of bags. I'll just grab it. Where is it? Here it is. Little cute little straw bags like this, because I do think this one has gone out of stock. But it's just a really cute summer accessory, and absolutely love that. Really inexpensive and an easy way to mix up your classic looks in your wardrobe. So that has been today's video on Everlane. A little introduction to the brand from me, a little bit of my thoughts on the products, and I would love to know what you guys think about this. If you want me to search for more sustainable fashion brands to share with you, then please do let me know. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram at BUTTRICK. You can check out that styling video in full, and you can see more outfit inspiration and things like that. And I will hopefully see you guys for my next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below.